Good morning. It's a chilly day in Northeast Indiana. This is part two of the 1-inch 6-spline video that I recently made. And thanks to a viewer named David who suggested that I try this idea, which is using two slot cutters spaced 1/4 of an inch apart to cut the splines on a 6-spline. That was such a good idea, I decided to try it. The 6-inch splines, or the 6-inch cutters that I have here, are maybe a little bit overkill, but it's what I had that fit the arbor that I had. So anyway, what follows is a brief video about making a 6-spline in this different way, and I'm entirely satisfied with the result.
So far it's looking pretty good. A little bit of chatter right in the middle, you kind of expect that. This is the last pass, and then I'll do a single cutter, got a narrow single cutter that I'm going to use to finish the gullet between the splines. That should go pretty fast, I think. So far, this is looking pretty good. Come out too bad. It's a little bit longer, and the deal with the ganged slot cutters worked really well. This came out just right without any correction or fiddling around, so I'm a fan. Well, I have to say this worked great. The spline came out really clean. Didn't have to do any dimensional corrections, so the ganged slotting cutters just worked awesomely well. So thanks for the suggestion.